Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping wood stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Affirm Global Wood Burning Easy Stove. This specific wooden stove can be very useful as it only weighs around 6 pounds, which enables the feature of portability, hence making this the best for traveling or camping. With that said, it is eco-friendly and is useful for hikers, outdoor enthusiasts and those people who love spending their time outdoors. Now, coming to the advantages of this stove, as it consumes less, around 40% of the wood, than an open fire pit, which can be profitable for the environment and nature. Furthermore, moving forward to its built quality, this is made to last up to 10 years of tenure and made with a premium quality built structure. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BioLite Basecamp Wood Burning Stove. Compared to all those stoves that I have searched, I can say hands-on that this is the unique design structure of a stove which can be very convenient in cooking outdoors. It covers all the fire if you are camping in harsh wind conditions. Other than that, this camping wooden stove from BioLite can be a very useful in built structure as it is made with steel and metal framing, hence the years can be extended than the preferred time period. At number 3, we have the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Stove. Enough with all the stove. What if you already own a wooden outdoor stove? This accessory of a wooden outdoor stove can be very helpful and useful as it will help you exert all the combusted smoke through a gentle pipeline. In other words, you can call it a chimney. Besides that, this chimney is made with steel material which can be useful in providing aid for a long period of time and can be durable while you can rely on it. This is the best option for you as it can be used anywhere because it is portable and lightweighted. At number 2, we have the EcoZoom Dura Camping Stove. This rocket design stove can be very useful in every sense as this can be used with any type of wooden fire pit. With that said, this can be used under any type of harsh weather conditions, which can be very useful with cooking convenience. It has a fire pit covered to protect the fuel consumption, and it also covers all the top grill cover to cover your food when it is cooking. And finally, at number 1, we have the Camp Chef Alpine Heavy Duty Cylinder Stove. With some wooden stove burner, this stove can be really and very good than others, and let me remind you that this is the top pick for Amazon choice and can be very effective when it comes to cooking food outdoors. With that said, this stove can be the very best choice for cooking outside on camping and hiking as this is eco-friendly and nature-friendly. Aside from that, the fire pit is covered to protect the fire from running out, hence making it fuel efficient. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.